want to show you how you can use markers to actually paint. One way is to color with marker onto your paper. Grab a good thick paper so that the paint that we're going to make doesn't ruin the paper. Now I'm going to get my brush wet, tap, tap, swirl, wipe, wipe. And once I gradually put water, clean water, over my marker, it turns into paint. If you get some of this paint on the table, get a towel to wipe it up. Then clean your brush for a new color and put the water on top of the new color. Tap, tap, swirl, wipe, wipe, and now making green. This is one way to paint with markers. Another way to paint with markers is by drawing your picture first and then adding water to it later. So if I wanted to make a detailed drawing, I'm going to use the warm colors. I'm going to draw in my warm colored picture using those color markers, and then I'm going to color it in a little. I'm not coloring it in all the way, but just a little. And I want to give it a paint effect, so I'm going to put water carefully on top of my marker so that the marker turns into paint. Then clean my brush when I am done. Another way to paint with markers is to put your colors on a separate paper and then get those colors wet so then you can paint with them onto a new paper. You can see here the orange is on a separate paper. I got it wet with my brush and now I can paint it on a new paper. Cleaning my brush in between colors so that I now can paint with the new color on my art paper. If my red runs out, I could color more red on a dry piece of this paper so that I can continue painting with red. You can also mix colors. A little bit of orange plus a little bit of red makes an in-between red-orange that I can paint with on my art paper. Or yellow plus red makes my own orange that I'm going to paint on my art paper. However you choose to marker paint today is your choice, but have fun. Enjoy.